Happy New Year, even though it's late. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nene Agand. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nene Agand and I'm back again with another video. This video is going to be really short. It's just something that helped me that I'm going to help you guys with. So stay tuned and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Share, comment, and if it works for you too, comment to let me know. So this video is talking about how I got rid of my nose piercing bump in 3 days. Literally 3 days. I'm never exaggerating. So let's just get into the video.
Bad bitch said she better my guys. All in my head and she taking up time. Slate in that dress and it's sitting just right. Now you taking it off. Did you read my mind? You and your girl say freaky.
Okay, so this is the second time I'm getting a nose piercing. The first time I got it, I had a big bump because I mistakenly pulled on it when I was in the shower, and I got so scared that it was going to form. I'm doing this video outside, so it's going to be a bit noisy. I got so scared that I was going to form a keloid, and because it's on the face, you know, it's something really scary and risky, so I got rid of it. Then I got this again, and you know, I was very stupid because I thought I was supposed to use any kind of salt to clean my piercing, when in fact it was supposed to be non-iodized sea salt, and I was using iodized salt on my nose, so the bump got bigger. Then I realized that I should use, or rather I researched and I saw that I had to use non-iodized sea salt on my nose. After cleaning it like that for like a week, there was no difference, literally no difference. It was still big. So I was like, okay, what can I do to like get rid of this? Because I don't, $40 twice now, like I don't want to waste that money again. So what should I do to get rid of this bump? It was healing fairly okay at the beginning, which is this first picture, and then it got really big. I don't have a picture of this, but I got this from the internet, and that's literally exactly how it was. It was big and it was red and it was very frustrating. And then the next picture is from after the first day, after I started using my method, and the last picture is after the scab fell out. You know how salt draws out water here? That's why I expected it was going to be the mechanism for the nose bump. That's why I kept cleaning and cleaning, but it didn't really do anything. So this is what I started doing. I used a cotton bud to clean the surroundings of the piercing, and then when I was done with that, I mixed the sea salt with a little bit of water to form like a paste, and then I applied the paste on the bump. Sometimes when I have like a really big acne, I use toothpaste on the acne to like dry it out. So I was like, okay, let me just test this out here. So after I put the paste on the bump, then I used toothpaste on it. So I did that for the first day, and then it kind of seemed like it was drying out. So after you do that, let's say you do it before you're going to bed, because obviously you're not going to be walking around with white stuff on your nose in it. So when you wake up in the morning, you mix the warm water and sea salt again, and you do like a warm compress on the nose. That's supposed to like soften the toothpaste and salts that you put overnight. So you do that and do it again. If you're not going out, you can do it while you stay at home, but if you're going out, just clean the bump, the piercing basically. I used a Q-tip to like rub, kind of like massage the bump. So while I was doing that, it was bleeding a bit. So don't be scared while it's bleeding. It was bleeding a bit. I think that's how the scab formed. I did that the first day, and I did it again the next day because I wasn't going anywhere. And as at that evening, this is after 2 days of doing it, it had formed a scab. So it was like an injury now, as opposed to a bump. So it was like an injury. I know you get scared at this point, but don't be scared. I did it again for the third day, and I slept and woke up. By the time I woke up, the scab had fallen off, so it was just like an injury. The scab fell off, and that is how, oh my god, this one is going down. And that is how I got rid of my nose piercing bump in 3 days. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on post notifications, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.